9 out of 10 drivers are sitting on features they've paid for and never once used. Not because they're rare, not because they're advanced, but because car brands hide the most useful stuff in the most boring places. And one of these can genuinely save you money the next time something goes wrong. I'm not talking about a cool trick. I'm talking about avoiding a tow truck, avoiding a locksmith, avoiding a dumb repair bill that only exists because you didn't know a lever was there. So here are 12 hidden car features most owners don't know. No filler, no secret Easter egg nonsense. Real features you can use today. 12. The hidden key in your key fob. Your key fob isn't a magic wand. It's a remote with a battery. And when that battery dies, most people act like their car is now a sealed vault. It's not. Almost every fob has a mechanical key hidden inside it. Usually there's a little latch on the side. Slide it. Pull the key out. Then, the second hidden part. The door keyhole is often covered by a plastic cap on the handle. Pop it off and you're in. This is the difference between getting home and paying a locksmith because you didn't know your car still has a normal lock. 11. Traction control. When to turn it off. That little icon with the car and squiggly lines. Most drivers either ignore it forever or turn it off because they think they're a race driver. Here's the real rule. Traction control is great when you're driving on slippery roads. But if you're stuck in deep snow, mud, or sand, traction control can sabotage you by cutting power right when you need wheel spin to climb out. So if you're bogged down, turn it off temporarily, get moving, then turn it back on. This one feature alone can save you from needing a tow because your car won't move even though the tires are spinning. 10. The lane warning, shut up button. You know that beep beep panic attack every time you touch a line or avoid a pothole? Most cars have a way to tone it down or turn it off, but they hide it like a shameful secret. Look for a button that looks like a car between lane lines, often on the wheel, dash, or buried in driver assist menus. Some cars need a long press. Some let you set sensitivity. If your car is screaming at you like a helicopter parent, you don't have to live like that. 9. Recirculation mode. The anti-stink shield. The button with a car and a circular arrow isn't just AC mode. It's your cabin air shield. Use it when you're behind a smoky diesel, in a tunnel, or stuck in traffic with exhaust floating around. Recirculation blocks outside air and reuses cabin air, which usually cools faster too. But don't leave it on forever. Long recirculation can fog windows or make the cabin feel stale. Use it like a weapon, on when needed, off when clear. 8. Steering wheel adjustment. This one is insulting because it's not even hidden, yet tons of drivers never touch it. Under the steering column, there's usually a lever that lets the wheel tilt and sometimes telescope in and out. Correct position means better control, better visibility, and the airbag is actually aligned to protect you. If you've been driving with straight arms like you're reaching for a TV remote across the room, fix it. Your shoulders will stop hating you. 7. The sun visor extension. Ever flip the visor down and the sun still snipes you from the side like a laser? Many visors have a sliding extension built in. Pull it out and it covers that annoying gap. This isn't comfort, it's safety. Glare is one of the easiest ways to miss a pedestrian, a brake light, or a bike. Check your visor. You might already have it. 6. The fuel cap arrow. If you've ever pulled into a pump on the wrong side, congratulations, you're normal. But there's no excuse anymore because your dashboard literally tells you. Next to the fuel pump icon, there's a small arrow pointing left or right. That's the fuel door side. This has been around for decades and people still play guessing games at gas stations. 5. The fuel cap holder hook. When you open the fuel door, there's often a little notch or hook inside. That's not random plastic. It's there to hold your gas cap while you fuel up. Because if you drop the cap on the ground or let it dangle in dirt, you're inviting grime onto the seal and into the area around the filler. It's a tiny habit that stops stupid problems later. 4. Remote window roll down. In summer, opening your car can feel like unlocking an oven. Many cars let you vent the cabin before you even get in. Press and hold the unlock button and the windows roll down. Some require press, hold. Some require enabling in settings. If your car supports it, this is one of the best quality of life features ever, and people just never discover it. 3. Shift lock override. Dead battery. Car stuck in park. You need to move it. Tow truck arrives. You look clueless. There's a mechanical override near the shifter. Usually, a little plastic cover you pop off, then push a hidden button with the key or a small tool, allowing you to shift into neutral with no power. Know where it is before you need it. This is the difference between calmly pushing your car out of danger and blocking a road like a sitting duck. 2. The rearview mirror, anti-glare. Tab headlights behind you at night. Your mirror becomes a flashlight aimed straight into your soul. If your mirror has a little tab underneath, flip it. It changes the angle so the glare is reduced. You can still see behind you, but it stops the blinding blast. People think this is old tech. It's still one of the most useful night driving tools ever. 1. The snowflake/low temp warning. That snowflake icon isn't decoration. It's your car, warning you that conditions are perfect for ice. Usually, it shows up around the temperature where roads can freeze, even if the air doesn't feel that cold. The road can be colder than the air. Bridges freeze first. Shaded areas freeze first. That icon is a cue to chill out, increase distance, and stop driving like it's July.